Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again. Today we shall be discussing on how to calculate average force exerted by buffer. Now let's read out the question given. A truck of mass 1,200 kg is moving at 4 meters per second with initial velocity. When it hit a buffer and it was brought to rest state in 3 seconds, what is the average force exerted by the buffer? Once again, a truck of mass 1,200 kg is moving at 4 meters per second initial velocity. When it hit a buffer, it was brought to rest state in 3 seconds. What is the average force exerted by the buffer? Now, by using the illustration diagram below, a truck, a vehicle, traveling at 4 meters per second with a mass of 1,200 kg, it hit a buffer and it was brought to rest after 3 seconds. Now we are asked to calculate the force exerted. Now let's pull out our parameters. The mass of a truck, 1,200 kg, our initial velocity, which is 4 meters per second, u, the time to rest, 3 seconds. Now, by using impulse formula, which equals Ft equals mv minus mu. Don't let us forget that our final velocity when the truck was brought to rest state, it becomes 0. So final velocity becomes 0 because it was brought to rest state in 3 seconds due to the buffer impact. So therefore, Ft equals mv minus mu. So our force, which we have to find, force exerted F times time to rest 3 seconds, equals our mass mv 1,200 times the final velocity, which is 0, minus our mass 1,200 times the initial velocity, which gives us F3 equals 4,800. So our F becomes 4,800 over 3. Our average force exerted by the buffer equals 1,600 Newton. So force exerted equals 1,600 Newton. Average force exerted by the buffer equals 1,600 Newton. Once again, our calculated average force exerted by buffer in this solution equals 1,600 Newton. Thank you very much.